Hi, today's the day. I got a call from my FFL today saying that my pistol came in, so I intend to do my unboxing. Yes, so I've ordered this Glock 19X. I've been waiting on my peanut butter for a long time now, so I've been want one, and I've been working on let's get that right now. I've been working on my EDC. Hold on. Yeah, she is clear though. Yeah, so I was hoping to retire this gun. Well, stop carrying it, not retire it. But I don't know. It's so nice right now. I don't think I should do that. I feel like El Chapo. I'm gonna get a gold base plate and some gold frame parts. And yeah, I think I'm still keep carrying it. But my intentions for my unboxing was so that I could put this one away and carry my 19X, which I just received. Anyway, the unboxing. Yeah, so the gun show was here a couple weeks ago. I didn't go because, yes, we're in Pennsylvania. And I decided to shop online. So I got my wife something, and of course, I got myself something. So the unboxing of my Glock 19X. Finally got my peanut butter. Yes. So I hope y'all could see that, but yeah. Mm. Ah. So I already have a Glock 19, so I was just gonna use this one as my carry. Mm. Not bad. Slice tight though. Ooh, the slide lock is pretty tight, but we have ambi slide lock, so of course it's a Glock 19X, so of course you can see that there. Yeah, so, and this one came shipped with 117 round mag, and we have some other things in here. We have the usual cleaning brush, cleaning rod if you're going to use a pad, or I should say a patch, sorry. Some back straps. I'm definitely going to do something with this back strap, so I'm going to add, yeah, I'm going to add a back strap to that. We have two 19 round magazines with some nice little extensions on there. I don't know why this in there. Yeah, we have a slow speed loader. And of course a base plate and the important stuff. So not bad. I'll put that back later. Yes, but that is my Glock 19X. So we're gonna work on this. This is what I'm gonna be coming out with next. Actually, I have a couple of things around the house. See this trigger anyway. Wow. So see. Still Glocky, still I might end up changing this trigger and putting in, I don't know yet. I'll figure out something. But I'm not a big fan of that trigger. I have something else I just built with. I think this trigger is better than that. Yeah, I just completed this. a couple of days ago, I guess. Not that long ago. But this is a PSA full size frame, and yes, she's empty and clear. But see that barrel? We don't know what barrel that is. So I did a rattle can job on it, and then I sanded it down and filed it so you can, get that depressed look. So that's what she turned into. And of course, Gideon threaded barrel, got light and light. Well, no laser, just light. But you know, yeah. So one of my Glocks, another one of my Glocks. So this is my Glock box actually I'm digging into below here. I have, y'all may have seen this, my Palmetto State dagger. Same thing. This too. I like this trigger even better than that new one. So it's a lot lighter. I mean, it still have that spongy, weird feeling on the back end of the trigger, but I think this trigger is better than that one. And uh, the big sister, But what I intend to do is take all these Glocks out to the range one day and do a video for you guys. And yes. But my plans for this one, back to my 19X peanut butter. I have a couple of things I may want to throw on here. I have what is this? The Streamlight TLR1 HL. So that's what we have. So this would be for a rifle or for a pistol. So I had it sitting around, so I'm gonna already switched it though. I switched it to the pistol configuration, so I might as well use it. And they got me a mailbox. Gonna style her up a little. Mount the mailbox to her, so we'll get back to that. See how she looks. But I'm not really I'm not too fond of that. I may end up changing this trigger, and I'm definitely throwing a afterburner on here, so compensated. The radiant afterburner, that's what's gonna come on here. So looking forward to that. So I'm about to, work on this optic, and I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes.